We are all divine beings, or gods if you like, as it was stated in Psalm 82:6. But as a race, our power and divinity has been sadly forgotten and or diminished. Spiritual awakening is largely a remembering and a reactivation of your innate human power. This power is your true birthright. For centuries, these mysteries have been hidden away and kept only for an elite few. There is a perpetual cycle occurring in the temple body. The cycle can cause degeneration or regeneration, physically, mentally, and spiritually, depending on our vibration and choices. The regeneration of the fluidic lunar body happens monthly, coinciding with the moon. The regeneration of the mineral solar body happens yearly, coinciding with the sun. Light in the form of photons, electromagnetic energy, is received by the brain and differentiated by the pineal and pituitary. The two potencies flow through the autonomic nervous system, through the semilunar ganglion, and into the solar plexus, where they merge and conceive the seed in the spleen. The man who is reborn in us is of water and the Spirit, our own regenerate self, the Christ Jesus and Son of Man. It is a fact that every seed begins its life exclusively in water, including all body stem cells and DNA. Stem cells are the beginning of the physical body, and water should be considered as the medium for life. The potential of stem cells is fascinating. They have the ability to self-renew and become any cell in the body. The sign of the egg represents potentiality, the seed of generation, stem cell, the mystery of life. After conception, some of the seed will automatically flow up the spinal cord from T12. Percival calls this automatic reclaiming. The remainder enters the vagus nerve and descends to the procreative organs, where it is further vivified, if not expelled. Through what Percival calls voluntary reclaiming, the vivified seed is then reabsorbed into the body, where it begins its ascension to C4 for the baptism. On its path to C4, it travels through other vital organs, including the kidneys and the heart. Love in the heart stimulates oxytocin release by the pituitary. This chemical is the catalyst for pineal metabolism. After its baptism by thyroxine, the seed arrives at the double cross of Ida and Pingala and the vagus nerve, where it is crucified. After crucifixion, the seed is sent to the tomb, cerebellum. The cerebellum admits the resurrected seed into the fourth ventricle, CSF reservoir, where it is distributed into CSF, the pituitary, and the pineal. This causes the pituitary to secrete floods of oxytocin and vasopressin, which consequently invigorates the pineal. The stimulated pineal glows rich with nitric oxide and upgrades melatonin to DMT and the other biochemicals of superconsciousness. Immediately after, the process will begin again and again. Each cycle permits some of the essence to descend the central CSF canal via the ventricles. Thus, the body is purified by degree. After the 13th round, the hollow through the terminal filament is said to be fully cleared. Thus, the seed can travel directly from the coccygeal body to the brain. The biochemicals of the Great Regeneration, or Sacred Secretion, enhance consciousness, cognitive abilities, and health along all lines. The full version of the video that you have just been watching is called The Biochemistry of Superconsciousness Awakening Inner Alchemy, which you can also find on this channel. And this much longer video has all of the details and context of the process if you're interested in learning more. Thank you so much for watching. As always, it is an honor to journey with you all. Of course, you can find the links to my books, to my course, which is on Teachable, and to all the other resources in the description box below. Namaste.